We're at NAIA Terminal 1. So what is new about this area are these self-check-in kiosk. Brand new self-check-in counters. We'll be taking Japan Airlines flight 746 leaving for Tokyo Narita at 9:40 a.m. So time check today at this point is 5:32. We're 4 hours, no? More than 4 hours kasi 30 minutes pa kami dumating dito eh. So if you observe, Terminal 1 has significantly improved after private takeover. Better pa rin yung private operator. Tingnan mo yung area. May mga plants. Medyo malinis. Dominated by Philippine Airlines. So yung mga flights here going Taipei, Kuala Lumpur, Busan, Xiamen, Nagoya, Tokyo, Japan, Bangkok, Danang. So maraming Japan. Sunod dun sa amin sa kabila yung Gate 7. Ano bang mga airlines here? You can check. Of course, sa right side yung Philippine Airlines. This side is Oman Air. Oh, Oman Air. Tapos on the far side is yung Air China. Dito yung flight namin going to China naman next month. Going Chongqing. So you have Vietnam Airlines, Air China, Malaysia. So maraming tao pa rin doon sa side ng Philippine Airlines. Okay, we're waiting for opening of the counter. Wala pa. Open. Gate 7. But yung counter is not yet open. Malaking tulong tong mga self-check-in na mga kiosk. Then you have also yung weighing scale. Tabi lang ng kiosk.